argument regarding the somatotyping theory of William Sheldon, which has the ectomorph, mesomorph, and ectomorph. I am Ria Mitoriao.
I am Ivana Esparan. Alienio Fuentes Lambo. I am Francisco. I am Paul Camarida. And
We are the Group 3. I am Ria Mitoriao.
Ivana Esparan. I am Justin Yap.
We are the interviewer of the day.
We are here to conduct an interview for the constitutional purposes only. Do you believe that size can really matter in committing an offense?
No,
How can you say so much?
because saya anak ko ha. Mostly sa amo ang mga nakahimo o offense dinhi. Di ba ang kanyang sa una nga itong katao somatotyping niya theory is kuan man kung dako kang lawas wala kriminal ka o gamay ka nang dili ka kahimo o kuan sa gamay. Pero mostly karon magagmay may anak ng lawas mo oy kahimo yun ang mga offense. Tanaw ka dili ka katuba nga kahimo niya pero kahimo niya kung dili kumutuo ana nga theory.
Thank you for your answer, ma'am.
That's all.
Good afternoon, sir. I'm Ivana sir, a criminology student from AGC. So my question, sir, is do you believe that size really matters, sir, in committing a crime?
Kung tubag sa imong pumunta na bayan no muno po kay
Why you say so?
no po kay i-base na ko sa reality karon sa realidad ba tanang tao makakumit depende sa tao either dako baka niwang baka kay dahang klase sa krimen pwede buhat sa tao kung with intent na siya kaning buwan buhaton ni mga crime. Sumuroto kong buwan, opinion ako.
Thank you, sir. I'm Justin Arya, second year criminology from DHCC. So this is my question. Do you believe that size really matters in committing an offense?
No.
Why do you say so, sir?
Ako lang ha, kay lain-lain ang bawat size sa lawas sa mga madakpan na mo manggod. Depende ra pud sa mga krimen nga gipanghimo nila. Pero nagno ko kay kuan man kanang sa imuhang pangutana magdepende ba. So question kani.
Do you believe that size really matters in committing an offense?
No ako answer no. Nagno ko kay dili man na magdepende sa ilang gidakon ang gani gagmay nga mopatay og tawo nya gagmay kayo tawo sa mga anang maratpa na mo ng lupa anak din man na o patay moto no siya kay pero na ako'y mga kuan manggod mga krimen nga magbase po sa size kaya anang kuan kanang mga akyat bahay siyempre kanang akyat bahay gagmay gid na wala may tambok ng kat-kat o bulay di ba so depende po na sa ilahang kuan po size ora to sabot ra
During our interview, some of the personnel answered no because they believe that body size does not matter when it comes to committing a crime. Crimes can be committed by people of any body type, muscular, overweight, or thin. They noted that most of the people they arrest are thin, and they find it hard to believe that such thin individuals could commit crimes. This specifically mentions that burglars are often thin, not overweight. Therefore, they do not believe in William Sheldon's theory that body type influences criminal behavior. Theories of William Sheldon and Ernest Kutcher. William Sheldon's theory proposed that body types are linked to personality traits and behaviors, suggesting that mesomorphs are more prone to criminal activity. Some of the PNP personnel's argument challenges this by stating that body type doesn't matter in committing crime, as people of all body types can be criminals. While Ernest Kutcher theory focused on psychiatric foundations. And that's all. Thank you.
I know broke is not enough.